yeah, we're going to the mall, do home. Wakanda is on the list. What else? I gotta get some metal. Gotta do laundry. I'm not gonna bore you guys with all that stuff, but I'll record a little bit of everything. Yeah, it's gonna be a long day. Alright, let's get out of here.
Welcome to Rican Thai Family with Nudge, TK and Nelson. Come join our lives while we travel and share with you on YouTube. So come along and have some fun with Rican Thai Family.
Thai people are pretty good about that stuff. That's probably a foreigner, no?
You pick up truck, I want to wait.
Come
Yeah, go quickly, go.
Come on.
Well, at least he stopped.
Come on.
It's a lot of cows too, huh?
They go together.
Oh, they put all the cows together. The cow that I was telling you, telling the GoPro about yesterday, that had a baby. She had the baby last night. Uncle's cow, Uncle G. And he passed away last year, or this year.
He buy only girl, yeah. Later he put sperm inside.
Right.
That's why it happened. Yeah, you go there, then you go in here.
Yeah, now I know, now I remember. And we have the festival over here. I don't know if we'll make it today. I'll try to make it today and record a little bit. But I don't know, we'll see what happens. Beautiful flowers. This is what Korat is known for, this right here. I mean, Anmai over here.
Here?
For this festival. Yeah. I'll try to come later. Bring Nook and Lola and everybody.
See this guy?
So yeah. Got lots to do. So we made it to the mall. Laundry is done. We might watch that movie here, actually. If they have it in English. Sometimes they do. Let's go see. I didn't know the mall got so festive like this. They have a lot of Christmas stuff. It's very nice. Look at this guy. Which way we gotta go? This way?
และนี่นะคะเป็นกิจกรรมของเราในวันนี้ท่านใดสนใจอยากที่จะร่วมรับชมก็ขอเชิญได้เลยที่ Rican Hall ชั้น 3 เดอะมอลล์นครราชสีมาค่ะ
The movies at the mall, no go. Central too, they're really late. We didn't want to wait because we got to come to Lotus and do home. We'll probably do it on Wednesday because tomorrow we got to go take care of the visa. So yeah, here we are at Lotus. buy some stuff and head back home, I guess. So we made it to the festival. We're going to the festival. Brought Lola, Euro, hello, Lolita, Nook, and Tike. It's over here somewhere. Let's go. Bye. Bun Mak over here is known for these flowers. I'll record them before nightfall, hopefully. So they have food and I don't know what else, attractions over there. Yeah, it's cool. Plants. Ooh. Something smells, huh? He can walk. He's not gonna get lost. Hey, you don't look good with the hat, huh? I'll show a little bit. I want to take some pictures too. They have a lot of food. A lot of stuff. Cake over here. 4 for 100 baht. We got 4. Oh, there's a lot of people. I didn't think it was gonna be this cool. I've never been to this festival. It's the first time. You finished with your popsicle?
It's good.
That's good, huh?
What, but in here?
Yeah, put it in there. We have a lot to see still. We've been stopping a lot already. Buying over here, buying over there. Now we're buying over here. You have to walk them. You have to up and down and walk them where you want them to go. There you go. Yeah. Bye. Yeah, there we go. Like that. Yeah. Slowly, you're gonna break them. We can have a pet. Let's go. Bye. How much is it?
80 baht.
Here.
เก็บตังค์ไว้แล้วลุงซื้อให้นะ
Hey, Lolita.
ทางนี้80ครับ
Okay.
Put me like that.
Buy something for Lolita here. And later, I guess we go up there somewhere. I haven't seen the flowers yet, the plants.
เอาอันเยอะๆนู่นน่ะหลายๆสีนู่นน่ะ
Nah.
เอากินไหมกินแล้วนี่เลยนี่ eat you eat
I eat. Let me see.
yummy
Sausage. I don't like sausage.
I eat
Lola want me to eat. Lola, where are they? There we go.
ฮอดฮอดไหม
No hot. Not bad. Little sour. Oh, they always like that. Sour.
Look, the flower turn on.
The what? So they were over here. Now we're coming to the train over here. Racing cars over there. Another bouncy thing. And over here they have
ถูก
bingo.
ต้องครับ
Bingo.
เชิญได้ครับเลือกบัตรเลือกเบอร์เลยฮะ5ใบ40ครับ10ใบ60 บาทถูกต้องครับ
Wanna say no?
ชมกันกี่ท่านครับยกมือ
Alright, we're gonna do bingo.
4 5 6แบ่งกันได้ครับเลือกของรางวัลด้านในครับตรงนี้ฮะมาเลือกเอาเลยคนละตัวครับ
Alright, we'll find a place. Maybe over
เลือก
here.
เลยครับคนละตัวฮะรอบนี้ตัวใหญ่เหมือนเดิมครับ5ใบ40ครับ10ใบ60 บาทแจกตัวใหญ่ครับเลือกได้ทั้งร้านฮะเลือกบัตรเลือกเบอร์เตรียมสตางค์รอเลยฮะเดี๋ยวผมไปเก็บฮะเพื่อความเร็วจะได้เวลาช้าครับขอบคุณครับ5ใบ40ครับ10ใบ60 บาทเอากี่ใบฮะ10ใบ60ใช่ครับ
Alright, let's see if we win
โอ้
something.
โหเองพันอีกแล้ว
I wanted two.
5ใบ40ครับ
Oh,
10ใบ
you took
60 บาท
mine?
ครับ
Oh, okay, there's two.
รบกวน
Different
เก็บเองนะ
numbers.
ฮะอยู่คนเดียว
Okay,
ครับไม่ทัน
different
ฮะ
numbers. Alright.
ครับ40 บาทครับ
เอาไว้ตัวไหนว่านั่งเลยค่ะรอบนี้ตัวใหญ่นะคะ5ใบ40 60 บาท10ใบค่ะรอบนี้ตัวใหญ่แจกใหญ่ทั้งร้านนะคะเชิญนะด้านหน้าด้านหน้าด้านซ้ายเบอร์10เบอร์10ดูดีๆนะคะหมายเลข10
Ten.
10เบอร์10นะคะเพื่ออะไรคอยอะไรดูดีๆค่ะเบอร์10นะ10เบอร์10หมายเลข10นะคะ10ไปต่อที่หมายเลขหลักเดียวตัวเดียวเบอร์8 8
Eight.
8นะคะมีระหว่าง8ค่ะ8ดูดีๆค่ะมีระหว่างค่ะเบอร์8จะดูดีๆค่ะมีระหว่างหมายเลข8เลข8นะคะไปต่อ2หลัก2ตัวนะคะ21 21แล้วก็บิงโกเปิดสอบค่ะ21 11 25 16ถูกต้องค่ะน้องเทฝาออกครับเทครับโอเค16 25 21 21ถูกต้องค่ะ11นะคะถูกต้องค่ะรอบนี้มีบิงชนนะคะ2คนค่ะเดินเข้ามาแบ่งกันด้านในคนละตัวถ้าบิงคนเดียวน้องน่าจะใหญ่คนเดียวนะคะ
That's what I came to see over here. See the trees? I don't know if you can see. Those are the trees I was talking about that Bun Mak is known for. Beautiful flowers. Maybe I get another chance over there to record it. Alright, let's keep
ด้านห
going.
น้าด้านซ้ายขอไว้เป็นอินเสิร์ตกันได้ค่ะรอบนี้ตัวใหญ่นะคะ5ใบ40 60 บาท10ใบค่ะเดินผ่านไปผ่านมานะคะอยากร่วมสนุกกับบิงโกนะคะรอบนี้ตัวใหญ่ค่ะเชิญนะเราก็ที่ตัวไหนว่างนั่งเลยค่ะรอบนี้ตัวใหญ่
I guess we're playing here. Open it. You already got it, Papa. I just press here. Take it. Hey! How you know? There's no number. Ask her how you went. Oh, hey. Chicken look cool. Oh, he wants cat. Oh, that monkey.
Yeah, look good.
You want the cat? Okay. Still here. We played with the guns, we played over there. Now we're just chilling here. Alright. That's it, we're done. Done. We ate, we played. They're fish, Papa.
Fish for what?
I don't know. so bad before, but now there's a whole lot of people. Oh, look at that squid.